The flood situation in the state of Uttar Pradesh is grim as the water level of Yamuna is increasing day by day. Currently, it's flowing above 50 to 60 centimeter to the danger mark. We are reporting from the Vishram Ghat to show you the exact ground reality, how the villages have been submerged, the ghats have been partially submerged in the flood water. Firstly, see the water flow of river Yamuna, which comes from Delhi to Mathura in the Braj area especially. The water flow out here of Yamuna river is quite horrifying out here. And that's the situation from ground zero as India Today TV is reporting. And cameraman Gaurav will show you the visuals out here where I am currently standing. If you see me, around me, it's a flow of water, speedy water moving across me as well. I'll ask my cameraman to pan the camera right over here. As you see, these big tombs of temples have been partially submerged over the water, but the devotion to Thakurji, to Lord Krishna is unstoppable. Despite some challenging conditions out here, the devotees are coming in large numbers to take blessings of Yamuna Maiya and Lord Shri Krishna. But if you see the visuals out here, the pillars have also been more than partially, I would say, submerged out here, completely submerged out here. Just the opening part of this particular pillar is quite visible. You will see a lot of temples, the area around the ghats is out here, but situation seems quite grim out here, as I'm also finding much difficulty to move from one place to another, because though it's a ghat, but mud has taken surface all around right over there. So what we are getting from the weather department, there will be rainfall in the coming days as well, and the water level is expected to increase in the times to come. But the visuals clearly telling you the story that the ghats have been partially submerged. Still, the devotion in Mathura is on. This is the ground reality from Mathura, ground zero, with cameraman Gaurav and Madan Samarth Srivastav for India Today.